Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Today I have a stationery haul for you guys, which I'm very excited about because, as you guys probably know if you've watched my channel for a while, I love all things stationery, scrapbooking, bullet journaling, art journaling, all of the above. So when I get new stationery, it just feels like Christmas. Today, all of the things I'm showing you are from Stationery Pal. I've done one of these hauls before and I genuinely love everything that I got from there last time. And so when they reached out again, I was like, I would love to do another video with them. So like I said, everything I'm showing you today is from there. And I do have a little giveaway at the end of this video if you want to stay to the end and see how you can enter that. I genuinely love getting new stationery so much. I don't think you guys understand. These are like my favorite packages ever. Maybe we'll start with the sticky notes. I got a bunch of new ones. The ones that I got last time I use all the time, especially in my bullet journal. I like to change my color theme each week or each month, and so having, this is so ridiculous now that I'm saying it out loud, but having sticky notes that correspond with my themed color of the week, it's just very satisfying. So I got a few more to add to my collection because theirs are a really good price, really good quality, and they have so many to choose from. The first one I got is this one, which is, I'm trying to make it so it doesn't like shine back on you, but this is one of the ones I got. It's like this greeny blue sea foamy kind of color, and I think it's so beautiful. A bunch of little tabs. I also got these kind of earthy tone colored tabs as well, and these are a really fun little shape. I'm very interested to try these. Then I have these two sets which are similar shape and size but a couple different colors, and I'm planning on using these when I annotate books because I love to read and I love writing notes in my books, especially ones that are more like educational or self-helpy or whatever, and these ones are really cute. So I have a more fluorescent, like standard kind of pack, and then these ones which are more like pastel-y or muted, and I think these are so beautiful. And these can actually attach into your binder if you have a binder, and you can keep them there if you are at uni or something. As for sticky notes, the first one is this little grid notepad, and I love this so much. I already have one of these. I got it in my last haul and I go through it so quickly. I don't know why having a grid on a notepad is different and better than a normal little like sticky notepad, but I just really love it. It's also really good to use in my art journaling or my scrapbooking because it just adds a new kind of pattern to the page, I guess. And I also got this one, which is a little black notepad. So all of the paper in this pad is just fully black, and I thought again this would be really good for my scrapbook. I have a lot of metallic-y like gold pens and pencils and stuff, so I thought that would work really well in here, or white pens would look really beautiful in this too, but I just thought this would be really fun. Next up I have these two little notepads. One of them is a to-do list and one of them is a daily schedule, and these are really cute. I love to-do lists. Do I need these? No. Did I want these? Yes. Did I get them? Yes. They went straight in my basket, so unnecessary, but I needed them because I love to-do lists. I love daily schedules. Organizing, time management, sign me up. I love it. I am a little bit crazy, but... So I'll show you what they look like, but they just have different ways to organize your day and organize your to-do list, and I think these would be really helpful if you struggle with those things. This one is kind of similar to those ones, but also a little bit different, so I could justify getting both. I don't know what you'd call this, but this is kind of like a planner, a daily planner, I guess. But it has a little timetable on the left side that gives you all the hours of the day that you could break up into different sections, so you can do time blocking, which is such an incredible time management tool. And then on the right side, it has the date, important list, so if you have certain tasks that you need to complete that day, you can write them up the top, and then it just has a normal to-do list down the side, but it comes with little boxes in it so you can check them off. Like, you don't have to draw them yourself, you can just check off the little box that is already printed on there, and then it just has a little space down the bottom to write a memo. So I can just already tell that I'm going to get a lot of use out of this. I've already started using it and I really like it, so definitely get on this if you like that sort of stuff. I never used to be a sticker gal. I really didn't, but Stationery Pal truly converted me. So I got all of these ones. I swear I didn't put this many in my cart, so I think they've just thrown in a bunch of extras for me, which is so sweet of them. But these are just really fun, especially if you have a bullet journal or a scrapbook or something. They're so cheesy and so cringy, but I freaking love them. I also work in a school with little kids who love stickers, so these are always a winner. Guys, I just like have never seen stickers this cute. Like, I have ones with little cacti on them and little watermelons and baking tools and coffee machines. There's one that's like space themed, which is so stinking cute. I could do a whole like bullet journal spread that's space themed. That could be really fun. I think my favorite one that I got this time is this little like vacation holiday themed pack. It's called Midsummer, and it has all this summery fruit and palm trees and little flowers and stuff. It's so cute, but I really like stickers, and I never thought I'd be saying that as a 22-year-old lady, but here we are. Sometimes you just got to accept things like that, you know? I really love picking up new washi tape every time that I make an order from them because they just have really cute options and they're a really great price as well. So I got a little tan and white grid as well as a white on white grid, which will be so cute, and then a little polka dot as well. I also picked up a few new markers. So I just have a black Sharpie, which is just a staple. I feel like I'm always losing mine, so this is just a really great thing to have a backup of. And then I also got a black and gold brush tipped pen. I just thought these would be fun. I don't really know what I'm going to use them for, but I'm sure I'll find something. And then I also got this watercolored pen. I used to use these in high school all the time when I did art at school as like a subject, and I used to do watercolors all the time, and I have done some since leaving school, but it's just a lot easier with these water pens. If you've never used these and you do like watercoloring or you want to try it, I would really recommend it. They're really, really inexpensive. They sell them at a lot of different places, but they're just super helpful, really handy, and I'm looking forward to using that one. And lastly, for pens, I picked up a new pack of zebra mild liners. I have a bunch of these already and I really love them, but I thought the colors in this pack were adorable. It's just got 5 different pastel colors and they're really cute. And the last thing that I have to show you from my selections is this, and it's a new bullet journal. And did I need a new bullet journal? Absolutely not, but I saw this color and it is so stunning. I might use this as my 2021 bullet journal. I'm sorry about the lighting. I'm filming in the middle of the day and this really isn't a smart decision, but I'm just gonna keep going with it. But yeah, I'm obsessed with this color. I think it is so stunning, and they have a bunch of different colors too. So if you're thinking about purchasing a 2021 bullet journal, or maybe you just want one for right now, or these are really great gifts for people. Actually, all of this stuff would be a really great gift idea. So if you have anyone in your life that loves stationery, who loves craft, who loves planning, or anything like that, you could kind of make your own little pack with some washi tape and some pens and maybe a bullet journal and some notepads or something. I think that'd be a really, really cute gift idea now that I think about it. And something that Stationery Pal has decided to do as a little like Black Friday deal are these little packs, which are honestly amazing. I had a little peek in this one the other day and it is such good value for money. And again, this would be an incredible gift idea. If you have someone in your life who loves stationery and you don't know what to get them for Christmas, get them one of these packs. They come in like maybe 4 different colors. I got the pink pack. Obviously you don't have to get the pink one, but I definitely recommend it. But in saying that, I am going to be giving away this exact pack. Not this one, because obviously this is mine and I want you to have your own, fresh, untouched by me. But you guys can win your own pink little pack of things, which I'll show you what's included in a second. And all you have to do to enter is follow me on Instagram. I will put my name on the screen here so you can find it really easily. And leave a comment down below telling me your favorite part about your week. I love hearing about all of your lives and just things you're grateful for, so I want to hear what you're grateful for this week. And make sure you leave your Instagram handle in your comment down below, like at the end or something, so that when I pick the winner I'll be able to contact you through Instagram. So you do need to have an Instagram account to be able to participate, but it's as simple as that. And I'll be picking the winner 7 days from the day this video is posted, so you guys got a week to jump on that. Before I show you what's actually in here, I'm going to try and fix this lighting because this is not the vibe. Let me show you guys what's in here. I'm gonna try and run through it fairly quickly because I feel like I've already been talking for so long, but also remember that this is the pink pack. It comes in a bunch of different colors. I think they've got like green, blue, purple, maybe something else, but you don't have to get pink. All of the packs are fairly similar. They differ a little bit, but you can see what's in them online. So first of all, we have a pink bullet journal. Super cute, super practical. Like I said, perfect gift idea for those people that love bullet journaling. I'm really excited about this. This is a pencil case that goes onto the front of your journal. Like, it has a little elastic band that goes around the cover of a journal. It doesn't have to be a bullet journal. It could be any type of book or journal or whatever, and you can just fit a few pens in there so you can carry them with you. So like if you want to take your journal to the beach and you don't want to lose your pen, you can chuck a couple in here and it's all going to stay together. Super easy, very practical. Don't know why I haven't already got one of these. Very excited about it. We also have a bunch of pink washi tapes and a little washi tape cutter. I didn't know these existed. Yes, it probably will change my life. I am very excited about this. We also have a little pink eraser, a pack of rose gold paper clips, and one of my favorite scrapbooking essentials, a glue tape dispenser. If you don't have one of these, you need them in your life. They are life-changing. We also have this sheet of stickers. There's 4 sheets inside this pack of all different kind of shapes and slightly different colors, but mostly around these pinky tones. And I already have these in a bunch of different colors and I use them in my scrapbook and in my art journal all the time. And we also have some little book tabs, which we've already spoken about. We know I love those. And then we have a bunch of pink themed pens. So we have a pastel highlighter. These are literally my favorite. This is my favorite brand of highlighter. I will never go back to using anything else because these are the best. We also have a Tombow dual tipped pen, which these are incredible, especially if you like doing hand lettering. Actually, we also have this one, which is a pastel pink. These are my personal favorite brush tipped pens. I'm using a bunch of these black ones for a lot of my wedding DIYs, so definitely recommend these. We then have a little dual tipped pink highlighter pen, and we have a bunch of different brands and shades of pink gel pens. Very excited about these because I use these all the time at school to write notes in kids' workbooks when they've done a good job. I love leaving them a little note, and of course I always have to write it in pink. What do you mean black pen? Absolutely not. We need it to be pink gel pens, so these will definitely come in handy. But that's everything that was in that little pack. Like I said, you can actually buy those packs online if you want to buy it for yourself or as a gift. I think they are a limited item. I don't think they're going to be stocked forever, but like I explained earlier, you can also go into the running to win your very own pack that you can either keep for yourself or give away. I'll leave all the rules listed below just in case you need any more clarification. But if you guys want to head over to Instagram and follow Stationery Pal, they're also doing a bunch of giveaways on their Instagram. So if you want more chances to win things, definitely head over there as well. I will leave that link down below and their name on the screen as well. If you guys want to check out any of the things that I've mentioned today or anything else that Stationery Pal stocks, I will leave the link to their website down below. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I love doing hauls like this. They make me so happy. So if you guys enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video very soon. Goodbye.